Hey guys, Friction RC here. Bit of an update. A few things been happening, and excuse the noise. I'm in our conservatory with the doors open because there's a nice breeze coming through. But yes, so first of all, first things first. I have a new sticker. Big Paul RC Cars. You absolute legend. Thank you for sending these across. I actually got in touch with this guy through Instagram, uh, and then he has a YouTube page which I'm following as well. You have to go check out his stuff. He's got some brilliant content for real, and this is a sticker that a decal that he himself has designed. It's not like, I guess he's done it on his own machine. And he does this sticker like I've done mine. I mean, I'm not a graphic designer. I've tried my best to do what I can. Some of you guys out there make really good designs. His one is amazing. It is the original Bigfoot looking monster truck, and I absolutely love this sticker. So this is going on the board. There's a few other things happening, but what I will do is one of those is a sort of unboxing of sorts. I'm going to stop wittering on now and let you guys watch the rest. Enjoy.